Welcome back, everyone. You may be experiencing some issues with your AirPods where for some reason the sound quality may not be that great. Maybe they sound extremely muffled. Maybe it sounds like very glitchy. Maybe it sounds like, especially for me, one of the main issues I've had, the AirPods always sound like you're in a phone call with somebody, but they don't sound that great. There's a couple ways to fix it. The very first thing I will tell you that can easily fix it almost every single time for me, anytime I'm in this situation, is to literally take the AirPods out of your ear. So you're going to take the case like this. You're going to have the AirPods obviously in your hand, and you literally just want to put the AirPods back into your case just like so. And all you want to do is slam the case down and just let them sit there for like 10 seconds. I don't know what it is with this, but almost every single time I do this, it ends up fixing itself. It's not like the perfect, end all be all, but this is the number one thing I do, and it almost fixes it every single time. So it is one of those things that I would highly recommend you to do, and I'm pretty sure you may be able to fix it just by doing that. If that doesn't fix it, another thing I would recommend doing is checking within your AirPods themselves and seeing if there's any dust and debris within the AirPods ear tips themselves. So what you want to do is take out one AirPod at a time. You actually want to examine it real quick. And you can see within the AirPods, you're going to have this little like portion right here, but you're also going to have your little ear hole right here. And you want to make sure every little portion of your specific AirPod is cleaned out as thoroughly as possible. As you can see, I don't really use my AirPods that much, but they're cleaned out as much as I can be, including at the bottom portion right here. And you just want to make sure all of it is cleared out as much as possible. You want to also do that for the next set of AirPods that you have here. So literally just open this up, put the other AirPod back inside, and you, like I mentioned before, just want to make sure all of it is cleared out as much as possible. Take out all the AirPods, clean them out on the inside, and you should be good to go. So those are the first couple things I'd recommend doing in the beginning with. Now, secondary stuff you can probably do that I almost recommend everyone to do as well is to put your AirPods back in their cases and repair them to your specific device. So if you have an iPhone, an Android, whatever you want to do, all you have to do is open up your AirPods case like this. There's a little button on the back of your AirPods case, which is right here. All you have to do is hold down this button while the front is blinking. It's kind of hard to explain, but you just want to go ahead and hold this down. So I'm clicking the button down. You'll see a white light, and you want to wait until it blinks like this. And all you want to do is go find your iPhone or go find any other device and repair your iPhone back to your AirPods. That is pretty much the next thing you can do. And I'm pretty sure every single time I've ever done this, it's been fixed as well. As long as there's not some crazy hardware issue, this will end up fixing the issue, at least maybe if not temporarily, then forever. You probably won't experience this issue ever again. Those are really the main things I would recommend doing. I think the final thing I would recommend doing as well is cleaning out the AirPods case themselves, because your AirPods may actually be, out of battery. So what you want to do is literally just grab some type of, utensil you can go and clear all this stuff out of. And all you want to do at that point is, you can even get a cotton swab or something, clean out everything within here, put your AirPods back in the case, and make sure they're charged up. If your AirPods are dead or almost dying, then obviously you're going to experience some issues regardless whether they're charged up or not. So that's the other thing you can do, and probably one of the final things I'd recommend doing. So if you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count. So it means so much if you guys could hit that. Also, check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.